hold it down? Who gon' 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 hold it down?
No time to be chillin', staying out my feelings. We want happy endings, I don't know your intentions. I think that them millions gon' be just to care for us. We the one who did it, it's okay to cheer for us.
What's up, world? Heard y'all was looking for me. Well, here I am. Man, today what we doing, y'all, on some quick stuff right quick. I'm about to try to patch this dirt bike tire up. Know what the name of? Hey, you had a nail in your tires, huh?
I had one in that bitch, then they took it out. Then I got another hose.
Well, about to help him patch up his own tire and see if we gonna get this done the correct way, you hear me? And they working on a motorcycle and his motorcycle chain came in, you hear me? So hopefully we get to that today too, but I think we is, man. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna probably go on a little quick ride or something like that. Not really sure yet, but the first objective is to take this back tire off so that we can take the tire off the rim and then we can patch it and then we go ride. Yeah, that sounds about right. Stay tuned. Out here sweating, world. You getting to it though. You getting to it. Alright, now we're gonna take the inner tube out. Now this is when we take it to the pool and we try to figure out what a hole at, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I already took it to the pool and I already figured out what a hole was at, but I gotta show y'all, you hear me? Direct by nature-ness. So bang. Took it over here. You see the bubbles? Y'all see the bubbles? That's how you know what a hole at, man. It's a freaking lifestyle. We about to go ahead and patch this thing up. I can hear it. You hear it? Yeah, I can hear it. We about to go ahead and patch this up, man. Get this 250, I mean this 450 back rolling. Then we're gonna put my chain on, man. My own. That old chain is eating my new sprocket up. Yes. Stay tuned. Peep this out. Since we didn't have the proper patches, you know, these are plastic patches, and we probably need like rubber. But we about to try something. We got some vinyl right here, yo. This is vinyl. So this is what you repair like pools and all that type of stuff, and we gonna make a patch. So we about to make a patch with this vinyl, and we're gonna stick it on this thing, and I believe it's gonna work. Alright, change of plans. We're not gonna use this vinyl because it don't stretch. So what we're gonna do is use an old inner tube. So let's try that because the inner tube is gonna stretch with the used inner tube that we repairing. It's really sharp day. You mustn't want them nuts no more, huh? What? About to burn your nuts off. I don't play with them things, man. You know what? I got a wall on somewhere on my body, some one of them things. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I see that. The blade broke and hit me. But we just cutting the link on chain. It was too long, so we about to cut like 3 links off, and we're gonna put it on from there. Over here, we about to put this inner tube in here. I don't think it's gonna leak. I think it's gonna be good. This is some homemade type of stuff, you hear me? We cut a piece out. Look at that. And then we cleaned out the powder that was inside of it, and then we put some glue on it, stuck it on top of the patches that Dylan brought over here with him. It was some type of patch. Here, go right here. That one. It's this type of patch. And you don't need no glue really. And you just take it off and just stick it on. But it wasn't holding. So we're gonna see what this do.
Touch your chain a little bit.
For real? It's gonna pop on me? No? I ain't lying about that. Oh, that's dope. Look at the Renthal sign. Renthal. You know. Chicken's lifestyle, break by nature. Whew. Keep this out, man. Shout out to Worldwide Bike Life. My hand's dirty. That's one down, y'all. I like that. Look at my old chain ate it up. It's all good though. Next you go around, we're gonna do the back sprocket and the front sprocket. But we're gonna let this do what it do for right now. One down, one more to go. We put on now? Should have held on.
No, we putting on top of the green patches.
I know. It is what it is. So we're gonna just put the tire back on there, and he ain't riding today. Ew, huh? You know how to do this?
You gotta get the wash.
Okay.
You gotta get the space.
Yeah, look, your space over there. Go pick it up. I guess that's what it is. Oh, what's up, Legend? You scary. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, because you know you be doing wrong. You know it, huh? Anyways, alright, well, I just brought the bike back to the house. I am feeling the gold chain with the black on it, you know? I guess because it's new. I'm really feeling the grease and stuff like that. But it looked good to me, man. It definitely look. Really, Jacob? It definitely looks good to me, y'all. But on the next go around, y'all, when I change the sprockets again, I do like this sprocket, but I put it on. I rode it with an old chain first before the new chain, but it's all good. It still got some teeth on it. But on the next go around, when I change this, I'm gonna be changing the front sprocket also. You know, so yeah. But overall, y'all, we good. You know, all change my next ride before my next ride, and we should be good to go. You know, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the 250. Definitely feeling the 250. She definitely look good. Look at that. Worldwide Bike Life in the building. I'm on some Renthal stuff. Oh, look. Renthal. You know, my sprocket is Renthal. And on top of that, my chain is Renthal. Yeah, let's get it. Shout out Humility. And we right by nature for life. Hey, y'all. I'm mad that we wasn't able to change fix Dylan's back tire. That sucks. But I don't know, man. That sucks. But what I want to say. I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. If we even do anything, I'm pretty sure we probably will, y'all. We're in the process of just, you know, stacking and gaining focus of what's really supposed to be done out here. Which, you know, don't lose focus. That's what we're doing. In the meantime, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We almost at 50,000 subscribers, y'all. I'm thinking about throwing a 50K party. Let me know what you think about that. See y'all later. Got a Legend with me. This teddy bear. Hey. God, go get it. I don't trust them guys, they show different sides. I'm gonna come outside for my brother Mike.
How I stay alive, I wouldn't advise, but I'm the one who tried.